How's it going, guys? Been a while. Had some personal stuff going on. Haven't been filming much, so thought I'd get back on the old video wagon here and get back to reality. It's actually my birthday today. Turned 45 today. So got a nice, short, easy day. So I guess that'll be my birthday present. But I'm going to do a drywall drop here. There's not much I could really do with it, so I'm going to do the best I can for these guys to get a nice clean shot into the house for them. So first I'm going to drop this pallet of the joint compound and mud, and then I'll show you what we're doing from there. Alright, so I'm going to shovel this under this front patio over here on the front side. I guess this is a carport. I don't know if this is a carport or a patio. I don't know what. Technically, I guess you can use it as either. This house needs a lot of work. Gonna shovel this in here. Call it there. And so what I'll do, since I have since I got 2 bunks of drywall, or actually 4 bunks, but 2 bunks per side of my truck, I'm gonna make them a 3 stack and then a 1 stack. So I will go ahead and grab the double stack here. Let me get my fork spread. It's 12 foot. Alright, so because this is ultralight, I can grab both of them. Got a nice, pretty flat ground, little bumpy, but alright, still gonna drag it over. Grab my stickers. Alright, so I went and set them down. So I'm going to lift up just to see where I'm going here. some of the bigger rocks and stuff. This is what you call a complete remodel. So I like to have my drywall up in the air, get lined up straight, put my stabilizers down, so I know I got a nice good drop. I can boom out. I pull out my forks a little bit, straighten it out, and then I could drop it backside down first, fronts down. Pull my forks out, pull my stabilizers up, all the way, and then not drag the forks out and don't clip the drywall. So what I'll do is I'll do instead of another double stack, I'll do the third stack. So that'll be closest to the house. The majority of the drywall. And this has got the green board on top of it. That's why I didn't put this stack down first. I didn't want to stack on top of green board, bury it in the middle. I'm going to get out of the traffic, and then I'm going to go grab my stickers real quick. So I got 6 stickers there. I can use 3 to drop, and then I can go ahead and set the other 3 for my next bunk. So again, I'm going to lift up to see where I'm going, make sure I'm not running over nothing. Nicely stack this right on top. I try to follow my footprints in from my last drop, and then try to put my stabilizers down in the same place to help me make sure the drops are even. Is that going to be too high once I drop it, or will that be cool? It'll be right about there. Yeah, okay. What's that? little triple stack there. It's pretty easy as drywall deliveries go. No crazy requests, no obstacles, no garages. This is kind of what you hope for when you load up a whole truck full of drywall, especially on the Class A truck. Good there. Some more stickers down. Which way? I didn't have anybody teach me how to do it, so I flipped forward a few times. All right, that's it. Alright, there it goes. Nice, easy day. Good way to spend my 45th birthday delivering, I guess. Get off early, get home for the family, get my new puppy today. Looking forward to my first dog. So, I will catch you guys on the next one. And give me a like, give me a comment, and then if you're new to the channel, subscribe if you'd like, and I'll catch y'all later. Have a good one.